Welcome from Japan. So I've already started the vlog, but I just wanted to come here to talk a little bit about what I've been doing in Tokyo and also show you the room. So I've also already done a room tour, but I'm gonna do one again and I will just be talking at the same time. So I arrived in Tokyo last week, actually on the 1st of May. And I flew from Cebu, so Cebu to Narita Airport, and there was a seat sale. So I think, if you're in the Philippines, I actually didn't know this, I should have done it before. You can find really good deals. So I actually spent less than how much I would pay right now to go back home in Siargao. So the flight return was like 8,000 something pesos, Philippine pesos, or like 125 euros when I converted return. So granted, I only brought a hand luggage, but that's like, I just couldn't miss that opportunity. And then I also came here to visit my dear friend, so I stayed at her place for the first few days, and now I'm staying in this hotel. And in Tokyo they say that rooms are quite small, but I'm actually surprised by the size of this room, which is okay. I guess I'm on my own, but I'm gonna show you in a bit. So yeah, I've really loved Tokyo so far. So this morning I went to Asakusa. I really loved it there, and I found there all the souvenirs I needed to buy. So I bought the souvenirs there this morning. Then I went to Ginza area. I had matcha. I had like the best ice cream ever. I wasn't planning on eating ice cream, but it was hojicha flavor. Like that's like my new favorite flavor, hojicha ice cream. That was in the 6th building. I put the name here below. And after that I went shopping. So I went to Uniqlo. So there's the flagship store, the biggest Uniqlo in the world. I didn't buy anything. And then I went to GU. So GU is a local brand, so it's the sister brand of Uniqlo. So the other day I bought this dress, GU. So it's like a jeans dress. I might wear this in a bit. And this dress was only 990 yen, so that's like 6 euros something with the 6 euros something with the conversion rate. And then I got this a while ago, so I might wear this tonight. It's just a simple black white vest top, and this original price was 1,290 yen, but I got it for 990 as well. So I think I'm gonna wear this in a pair of jeans. Well, I'm gonna show you before I go out. So yeah, let me do a room tour, and if you've been to Tokyo, let me know what you think, and if you want to go there, let me know too. I would like to know. Comments down below. All right, room tour. So this is the entrance. In the entryway you need to remove your shoes because it's all about cleanliness in Japan. You have your cute mirror here, and then this is quite convenient. You can hang your coats here, and they do provide this for your shoes and then this for your clothes. And then this is the room. So I quite like this room. So this is the bed, and it's a bit messy because I just came back from shopping. So I got this in Sly in Shibuya 109. This is from the Nezu Museum. I want to see this exhibition. It was really beautiful. And you need to get your little toiletries items at the reception. Time check 3:16, and they provide you with slippers. So this one you can take home, and also like this one I really love. They give you the pajamas. So this one you cannot bring it home though. So I really love this. I actually slept with this, but they gave me a new one. And then you can boil your water here. And then the fridge. Actually, the fridge I don't get it because I put the water bottle inside, and it was, as you can see, the water was like frozen. Yeah, these are the items I bought. So this is the room. As you can see, it's small, but I think this size is fine if you're not with two big luggages. And then yeah, my things are here. In here you have your laundry bag, information, and this is for laundry, and these are the pillows, and that's cool. So yeah, it's a small room, but to be honest, this is a perfect location. And then the bathroom, I think the bathroom is what tells the hotel like age, but I really like it still. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, it's tiny. It's like a cabin. For me, it's fine. But you see the toilet. It's a Japanese toilet, but it's the old model. So you can actually have your rinse and your shower bidet. So what I like is that you can have a warm water rinse. It's just an older model, I guess, of the toilet. And they provide towel. This is for the hands, and sink, and then the shower. I personally wouldn't bathe here. Also it's quite loud, the ventilation system. I didn't put it on. And then what I also love, oh yeah, you can see my things here. What I love is their soap and brand, the hand soap, shampoo, conditioner, body soap. It smells so good. Like, I don't know what it is, but I really like it. So this hotel is really, really conveniently located. And let me just show you the view outside if I can. Well, not much to see, but yeah, this is the room. So this is the room, and personally for that price it's really unbeatable. So guess how much I paid for 2 nights in breakfast included? 18,500 yen. So I'll put the conversion here. But this hotel gets fully booked, I guess, quite easily, and also not available on like the major platforms. So I actually booked it on the website of the hotel directly. So this is the Ginza Bellevue Hotel. I really like it. So I'm heading off now. I might show you my outfit. I'm actually heading out to Shinjuku, and I'm gonna bring you with me. Well, I'm heading out to Shinjuku, and I actually booked an Airbnb experience. I'm gonna do a photo shoot by night, so maybe I'll show you some results. But yeah, I really love Tokyo here. People are so courteous. Everything's clean. There's toilet everywhere. The food is amazing. So much culture, so much to do, so much to see. Anyway, enough talking. Let's continue. Okay, so I changed for the photo shoot. Yeah, it's gonna be colder in the evening, so I wore very simple jeans and this that I bought in GU, and I just wanted to show you what I got in the food show department store. So if you want to get there your matcha, you can also get tax-free. So this is at Shibuya, and it's very easy. So this was the tax refund. So I bought some tea, so matcha and tea. So total was 5,866 yen, and I got 434 yen back from the duty free. So I'm gonna show you. If you wanna go there, you can buy there your tea. So these are tea bags. So this is matcha. So it's written here smooth. No, this is green tea. So smooth green tea with sweet aroma, similar to sweet potatoes. So sencha chiran. So they've already packaged it for the airport. And I got 2 other here. This is loose. This is just loose matcha tea, and then this one is for my best friend. This is tea without tain. So this is a fruity one. So yeah, I got all these items that I can bring in the plane. And this is a place called Lupicia. Yeah, Lupicia. So if you want to buy tea, matcha, souvenir, you can go there. It's in the department store in Shibuya. Then just go to the food. It's called Food Show. So yeah, now I'm gonna fix this face, more makeup, and I'm gonna go. So see you later. Okay, I didn't realize there was a chair here, so I'm not gonna redo the whole thing, but yeah, I'm gonna fix my face and go. See you later. First, I'm going to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building in Shinjuku, which has an observation deck. Come with me. It's starting to rain again.
Entonces, o sea, yo le respondía así, o sea, hasta tontera le estuve respondiendo. Yo le voy a decir que se reía, porque la persona esta, o sea, se las creía, pues le respondía tontera y la misma gente, la misma gente sabía que era broma, que estaba jugando. Porque, ok.
That was my last dinner in Tokyo. I don't even remember the name of the restaurant, but it was somewhere near Shimbashi Station. And here you can see the results of the photo shoot. So it was an Airbnb experience that I booked a little bit last minute. If you're interested, I'll put the link below as well. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and see you later. Bye.